Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a real estate landing page in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Landing Pages. Now click Create Landing Page. Choose a professional template designed for lead generation or property marketing. Click Use Template to open the editor. Start by adding a compelling headline such as, "Find your dream home today" or "Get access to exclusive property listings." Next, add a short description explaining your real estate services and how you help buyers, sellers, or investors. Include high-quality property photos, featured listings, agent information, and client testimonials to build credibility. You can also highlight local market expertise, property valuations, or free consultations. Next, add a lead capture form where visitors can enter their name, email address, phone number, and property requirements. Customize the call to action button with text like "View listings," "Get property updates," or "Book a consultation." Once your page is ready, click Next. Configure your landing page URL, SEO settings, and domain preferences. You can publish the page using a GetResponse subdomain or connect your own custom domain. Review everything carefully and click Publish. Finally, test the page to the real estate landing page in GetResponse. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.